Hello, dollies. How you doing? Hi. I've just been making a doll just this morning, as you do, and I've made a really cool, innovative hairstyle, and I just wanted to show you how I did it. So this is it halfway through. So the first stage of it is roll the wool around your hands and tie a little knot, and then fold it in half like that so that you get a bundle, and then stick it over the doll that way. Okay, so that's what I've done there. I've folded it over and I've stuck it. Now the next stage, I know she's got a bulk patch, I'll sort that out afterwards. The next stage is cut it and divide it into two parts like that, and then how good is this? Look, then you roll it up like that, and then you get a lovely, lovely hairstyle. Do you think of that?
Very nice.
Do you like that, doggy?
Yes, very nice.
With a bit more wool, actually, what I was going to do is just roll it and make it like into Princess Leia buns like that. That's really cute, isn't it? So that's generally, dollies, what I wanted to show you today. There you go. Thank you.